floor, and all I do is smile, drifting into weeks or more when I don't touch base with myself. And when will I give it up? When will I put it down? When will it cease to be the only thing in my life that I read that ain't nothing new? And so we shake up the day and we kick into play until the night turns into day. Push up the beat, keep it moving.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Head of UK Mobile Product Marketing, Rebecca Hurst.
Hello everyone and welcome to Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. Last year, right here in San Francisco, we added a whole new dimension to the smartphone experience with the revolutionary Galaxy Fold. We're changing the shape of the future with the Galaxy Z Flip, a standout smartphone for people who want to stand out. When it's closed, it is a thing of beauty. It's smooth and sleek and symmetrical, and at half its full size, it fits right in my palm and snugly in my pocket. And the cover display shows me all the information I might need at a glance. When I'm ready to use it, all I have to do is flip it open, and I get a full-size 6.7-inch screen with hardly any bezel. The ultimate immersive experience for the ultimate smartphone. And the color is just as stunning. Look at how it gleams whether I keep the phone open or closed. The Galaxy Z Flip comes in 3 gorgeous colors: mirror purple, mirror black, and in select countries, mirror gold. Out, you can check the time, get notifications of a text, alarm, or a call. All the essentials are right there on the cover display. You can even take a selfie without opening up the phone. You can see for yourselves, this phone and its display are like nothing ever made before. Unfolded, the Galaxy Z Flip puts entertainment in your hands with a cinematic screen and with the world's first hole-punch camera in a foldable display. You get the same sprawling, expansive screen you've come to expect from Galaxy smartphones. And it's beautiful when it's closed, it's beautiful when it's open, but what about everything in between? We built a free-stop hinge so it can stay open at different angles, just like your laptop. We call it Flex Mode. In Flex Mode, you get a new kind of smartphone experience. Your screen is split into 2 parts, a viewing area and an interaction area. We optimize some of your favorite apps for this so they'll automatically adjust. For example, if you're watching YouTube and you want to leave a comment, you can watch on the top half of your screen and comment on the bottom. You can even prop your phone up by itself and video chat or take a selfie, hands-free. Let me show you. So I'm going to take my phone out of my pocket and prop it here on the podium. And we're going to take a selfie. So open the camera out. And ready? Cheese! Let's see if my eyes are actually open in this one. So I go down to the, open the gallery app, and you'll see I can scroll across the bottom half of the screen where some of my other pictures are saved. So here you'll see there's more of animals than there are of people, but that's just my life. You can see for yourselves, we custom built a whole new mobile experience.
Shabam, pow, blop, woo, shabam, pow, bop.
stuff.
D, 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 et D.